guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kat here again, and for today, we'll be doing another Kat Cooks Vlog. So, we'll be making chicken pot pie. So, this is a regular staple meal for my family. So, I always cook this like during the weekends. It's very easy. I think the only tedious part is I will mention later. But let's start with the ingredients that we will need. So first, of course, the main ingredient would be chicken. So I bought chicken breast. You can use chicken fillet or any part of the chicken, but I preferred either chicken fillet or chicken breast. So there will no longer be bones or cartilage. So once I boil it and shred it, wala na akong tatanggaling buto. So chicken, bacon wala. I'm just getting the fat of it, the oil, but this will be for our breakfast. So I'm also cooking breakfast at the moment. What else? Cheese. So I have lots of cheese here. I have mozzarella. I have the regular yellow cheese. I have here the sharp yellow cheddar. I have parmesan. So as you can see, this is a fully loaded cheese meal. And we'll also need a Nestle cream. This will only be a few. We will not be needing much. I'll tell you later why. Whole corn, cream of mushroom. I often just use Campbell's. I haven't tried any brand. So this is what I've tested, and I am not changing it for several years now, ever since I tried cooking it. So this is the one that I'm using. Mushroom, potatoes, onion, garlic, green peas, butter, and curled parsley. For the taste, I have pepper, salt, and there, Italian seasoning. I guess that's it. Let's start cooking. So this is the boiled chicken breast. I boiled it for 15 minutes and now I'm shredding it. While boiling, I put a bit of salt and Italian seasoning. So we're now sauteing the shredded chicken breast on garlic and onion, and we're now on our fun part of cooking. I'm gonna put in all the ingredients and let it simmer in low fire. There's already bubbling, and make sure when you're letting it simmer, it will be in a very low fire para hindi masulog and magluto yung green peas kasi yun yung medyo matagal lutuin dito. And if natutuyo, put a bit of the chicken stock, yung remainder nun. Pero not too much, tansya-tansyahin nyo, parang 1/4 cup lang, ganun, if sa 1 kilo of chicken. Kasi if you put too much liquid, magiging ano siya, malagsak. Or sabi, kasi we're aiming for consistency na firm. So, another 10 minutes of simmer, and yes, I put a lot of cheese on my chicken pot pie. So there. Mash the potatoes. I've used 1 kilo of potatoes in cream, butter, and add in salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning taste. I'm using yung meat tenderizer. Shout out to my husband. Parang kailangan ko ng potato masher.
Wow!
There. On a glass pan, baking pan with a thickness of 2 inches in depth, we're gonna put in the chicken there, and the mashed potatoes. Then we're gonna add layers of parmesan, sharp cheddar cheese, and mozzarella. Then we're gonna bake it in the oven, just the top part of the chicken pot pie to melt, for the cheeses to melt on our chicken pot pie. Ready? So I've garnished it with freshly chopped curled parsley. So I baked it just to melt the cheese for, I think, 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it. That's my version of chicken pot pie. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the thumbs up to like this video. And if you want to be notified on more of Kat Cooks video, hit the bell button. Thank you, Ka DIY. See you on my next video. Bye!